Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Mercari app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and log out of the Mercari app because maybe you're logged onto someone else's phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Now from this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Next, scroll down even further and you should see the Logout button on the bottom hand side. So go ahead and click on Logout and then it's going to confirm whether or not you want to go ahead and log out, and there you have it. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.